Okay, I want to show y'all how to make a loaded tea. First, you got to pick which one. I think we're going to do Captain America. Okay, so first you're going to start off with pomegranate liftoff. Okay. We have raspberry tea and NRG. I'm going to do strawberry on the bottom and just do a good amount. Then you're going to add some hot water on the bottom. Do cranberry aloe. Then we're going to fill it up with ice. We're going to fill it up with water. And to give it that nice color, you're going to add Blue Blast on top. Shake it a little bit, and voila, Captain America.